Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I'm excited, y'all, because my Chic Beauty Box came today, and this box is just really, I'm just excited. It's all makeup, and it is sent to me PR, so I'm very excited about it. This box is bi-monthly, so it comes out every other month, and this is the May-June box, and I've been told that the May-June box, it comes like right in the middle like that. So it is $34.99 a month. You can get it at reduced prices if you, order 6 months, 12 months like that. And this box comes to us from Canada. So, and it says, we believe everyone should have an equal opportunity to express their distinctive beauty. This box was born out of passion. The founder is Mercy, and a lifelong passion for beauty and equality inspired Mercy, who is the founder, to create Chic Beauty Box. Through her personal experiences and interactions as a social worker, Mercy quickly discovered that makeup, perfume, hair care, and skincare products are surprisingly unaffordable to most people. With this in mind, she sought to create a beauty subscription service that is affordable and yet relatable by including brands that beginners and experts alike will both enjoy and find useful. And what's in this box is drugstore items all the way up to very exclusive items. So let's see what's in there. I'm excited. Like I said, look at it. It's popping at the seams. So when you open it, it's got some nice bubble wrap, which is good. It has a card in it, really cute little card, and there's a quick sneak peek in there. Oh, it's stuffed. It's stuffed with stuff. It's exciting. So this is the May-June box, and it includes 5 full-size items. And if you are a member and you refer a friend, you can get a discount, and they have that here on the card. And also I have a code. It's I think it's CATS10 that will save you 10%. So I'll put that in the title, whatever my code is. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, y'all. I'm sorry I didn't look that up before I did this. But look how pretty the card is. It's just pretty. Chic Beauty Box. It really tells you about the box. Just very pretty to help you feel pretty. And at the price point of the $34.99 every other month, it's really a nice bargain if you think about what you spend per month. So right off the bat, right on top, let me see if I should try to go in order. I don't know that I can because it's all packed in there. Okay, right off the bat is Ofra Cosmetics. This is a highlighter. It's X's and Glows, and this is valued at $35. They do give us the US prices. So Ofra, let me open it and show it to you. Ofra is very well known for their highlighters. Very well known. They have other cosmetics as well, but their highlighters are, in my opinion, what they're most known for. And the compacts are very similar. This is what I have. I have their banana powder that I use, for under eyes. And of course, this is very beautiful. It has a mirror on one side, and it is 1, 2, there are 4. There's 4 colors. See how pretty it is. That's the Ofra design, the way that they do the palette. It's like 3-dimensional flower. And then this particular one has 4 different shades in it. So it is called, I just said it, an X's and Glows. So, and then it tells you how to use it on the back and all that kind of stuff. So here's the box, and then here's the packaging. And that is valued at $35. I'll swatch it. I'll swatch it. I did plan on swatching what's in here. So now, if anybody, I don't use a lot of highlighter, and maybe I should use it more. But would you take your brush and go over the whole palette, or just go in sections of what you liked? But there is everything. Oh, that's pretty. All pretty together. And then, oops, a little too dark for me. But anyway, does it add some sparkle? Anyway, but maybe since there is that darker, maybe I would just use these other 3 and just not, but I rubbed it all over, so I don't know, I might have. So there's the darker, and then there's with just the lighter. So it's very, their highlighters are very beautiful. Oh yeah, very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. There is some controversy with Ofra Cosmetics. But I won't go there. I won't go there. I'll just say that. And then if you are interested, you can find out about it yourself. Let's move on. I am gonna clean my fingers off. Let's see what we have here. Oh, what I should tell you too is you get to customize. If you order the subscription, you'll give them some details about yourself. You know, you fill out a profile, and my card shows me the 5 full-size items that I got. And last time my card showed a couple of different items. So maybe this time there was no customization. I'm not really sure, but we'll see when we see other channels what they got. So let's move on. I got this product. This is really pretty packaging. I like that. It's called Suva Beauty, and this is the Hydra Liner in Doodle, it says. So let's see what that is. Look at how cute the packaging is. It's like a doodle all around it. Isn't that cute? Hydra Liner, so a water liner. Let's see if I can get it open without damaging. Let's see. Oh, it is like you can really doodle on your face. Y'all, this is cool. One side is black and one side is white, and then you need like a really tight pen. Well, I'm not sure. It's a liner. Oh, it's I'll have to, I tried to get a little bit of the white on me. It's very like a cake. So I'm not really sure how to even use that. If you all know, it's a cake eyeliner is what it says. And usage, activate using a wet makeup brush. Okay. Remove using warm water. Okay, so that's why it is like that, because it is a cake and you have to have a wet brush to use that. But how much fun, white too. So that is really interesting. I love that. I've never seen that before. I've seen cake eyeliners, but not a split like that. I've only ever seen black, probably, maybe navy, you know, but this is really neat. Okay, that is valued at $16. And then we, oh, well, how great. They sent us a brush for it. This is the Suva brand, and this is the 620 liner brush, it says. Okay, so it's in a nice little case. It has a little tab here. You know, I'm just so challenged getting things open, y'all. And smudge just came up. Okay. It's like this kind of a nice little case, carry case, so you won't damage it. And this is valued at $13. Boy, I can't even get it out of here. Okay. All right, so there is the brush. And it's a nice tight brush. And let me see. If I have some, I'll just spit on it or something. I have my wipe here. Let me get it wet. I don't know if that will work because it's got stuff on it. But let's do the white first. I think I'm gonna have to really dip it in water. Yeah, this needs more work than what I can do right now on film. So anyway, I'm gonna put that aside. Okay. And that brush is, can you see how fine that is? You might not can see that. Very, very fine. And it's a nice brush. Suva Beauty, okay? And next I have, this is Beauty for Certain brand. And this is a matte liquid lipstick. And this is valued at $22. I've had Beauty for Certain. I had a mascara. I don't think I've ever had any lippies from them. That is matte liquid lipstick. Let's see what the shade is. It says, oh golly, can I read that? It's number 28. It doesn't have a shade name. well, maybe it does. No, matte liquid lipstick. Okay, so their packaging is cute because it has the BFC's Beauty for Certain. Okay, so this is very light, neutral. Let's see. It's a very light, it's somewhat orangey. It almost looks like a concealer to me, and it's drying very nicely. It's drying down very nicely, which is nice. So I don't know that it has a little bit of a sparkle. Now it's turning a little more orange. I might use this under something. It's a cute little package though, I like that. Beauty for Certain. And then we have a palette, and these cute little squigglies are cute. I think the boys are interested in there. We got the CAB Cosmetics palette. Did I tell you that what this was valued at? This is $22 for the lip. There it is there. And then this palette is the CAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. I have this palette, y'all, and I've never used it. And it's very beautiful. I remember it. I remember thinking, should I, shouldn't I? Well, here's the packaging. And can you see how, I hope you can see that on camera. It's just a matte black and then shiny day and night. And I read about it a little bit, and it is meant to be used. It can take you through the whole day, 24 hours, day and night. So let's see, it is the black matte there. And then that day and night is on the back again, okay? And when you open it, it has a nice magnet closure, and it has a mirror and a color saver, and we're gonna swatch this. So these are really pretty. A lot of these colors are right up my alley. It's very beautiful. So let's swatch. Why not? Okay, because I have this palette already, and yeah, I wanna see what it's all about. I've never swatched it before. All right, I don't know if I'll be able to tell you all these colors, but I just went Halo, Sunset, Naked, okay? Let's see where I can put them. There's quite a few, so it's gonna take a little bit to get them all on. I should have done 4 oh well, maybe next time. All right, wiping my fingers in the meantime. Oh, that's pretty. Twinkle, Twinkle. So that's Twinkle Twinkle, I love that. Burnt Orange, Georgia Peach, and this one is Terracotta. Very beautiful oranges going on here. There's that Twinkle Twinkle is very light, but it did show up, so that's good. There's 18 colors here, y'all. All right, we've got, and these terracottas are beautiful. Now we're getting into more of the shimmers. This one is Dawn, and then we have Golden Hour, Dusk, and Luna. Oh, those are beautiful. See, I love swatching because it changes my mind. So it always makes me want to use a palette when I swatch, because I can see that the colors are beautiful, but to actually use them, it makes a difference. Okay, this one is Stella and Burgundy and Moon Dust. How pretty is that? And Sand. Now that looks darker in the pan. I'm gonna put these up here because I don't have enough room. These are really pretty. I like this palette. I had heard that it was a really nice palette. It's gotten really good reviews. It's been around a little while. All right, then we have 3 left, and oh, that's beautiful. There's Cocoa, love that chocolate. This one is Midnight, I love that, and Starlight. So a lot of colors that I love. I'm not so into the oranges just because it's not my favorite, but I can use some of that as a, you know, a base or you know, a little addition. But I love all these darker and all the shimmers. I love all the shimmers, even the orangey shimmers and the lighter ones over here. Very beautiful. That's a beautiful palette. I love it. So y'all, all right, this palette is valued at $52. So this box is valued at $138. And we got the Beauty for Certain Lippy, which is right here. We got the Ofra highlighter, which I put on me here, a little bit here. We got the, this is really interesting to me, the Hydra liner. I don't know that I really would use this, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to get like a bowl of water and really try it. What else did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and we got the brush to go with that liner. So I just have to get a bowl and work at it and see what I can come up with, because I used to use a drier kind of a liner, and yeah, I'm old, so you know, those kinds of things stay for people that are makeup artists. You know, those kinds of things are still being used, and it's nice to see them come back to people to try, because it's just different. I like to try new and exciting things. So y'all, I thought this was a fun box. What did y'all think? I don't think I've ever heard of Suva Beauty before. Have y'all? Ofra, of course I have. Cab, of course I have. And Beauty for Certain. Those all I know. I've gotten all those before in Boxycharm and Ipsy and things like that. So thanks y'all for stopping by and seeing what I got. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box, because I'm just so excited to receive this, y'all. I really am. And thank you so much. And I do have a code, like I said, down below, and I'll have their website if you wanted to join. I think you'll save 10%, I think. And I'll have all that below, because I'm not really positive. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. I'm just so excited. And count your blessings. Bye-bye.